My name is Erik Pierce. This is my wife, Marina Pierce. We were looking for many years for a place to retire, and we found beautiful Bay Creek in the town of Cape Charles. We love it downtown. It's a quaint, quiet little place, is what we were looking for, and we wanted something close to the water, and Bay Creek was the perfect answer for that. We love the beach, especially my wife.
Yes.
She doesn't miss a day on the beach because she takes Finley for a walk every morning, and the beach is her haven.
Yeah, my happy place.
It's her happy place.
So we're both swimmers and really wanted the ability to swim year-round, but there's no place near Cape Charles that has an indoor pool, so we knew we needed our own solution. We looked at a lot of different options in terms of fiberglass pools, swim spas, and the Soake Pool was the perfect solution for us in that it has an integrated swim system, and it's small enough that it's easy to heat without costing a lot of money, and it just provided the perfect solution for us for swimming, in addition to being a nice water feature on the patio when we entertain, and we can heat it up hot enough to be a hot tub. So it's the perfect solution for our patio. So we reached out to Soake Pools about their product, and Solid Structures was their distributor in the local area. We reached out to them and heard back from Ryan. He came out, toured the site, told us about the process, explained exactly how everything would happen throughout the design and construction process, and they were absolutely fabulous in terms of helping us with the permitting and construction and suggestions about how to finish the space after they were done. So Ryan had explained that it was basically about a 1-week process for the construction, that they would come in and prepare the site, dig the hole, put the stone in the bottom, and then crane in the finished Soake Pool into place, then hook up the equipment. Exactly as he predicted, it was a 1-week process, went really smoothly. Luckily we had the use of the vacant lot next door for the crane, and it was really cool to watch the whole thing come together. We use the pool pretty much every day, either for our fitness swimming, or when we are entertaining guests, we heat it up and hop in as a hot tub and enjoy the stars in our dark skies community.
It's probably a little bit easier than I expected. I owned a pool. It was a completely different system many years ago. Obviously, it's small enough that when I vacuum it, it's a 10-minute job. And the chemicals are very easy. A saltwater pool is an ideal answer, especially in this environment. Absolutely.
We have recommended them, and we know at least one other family in the neighborhood will be putting one in soon.